Stay here, get your team up there.
Alright, thanks, come on.
Move it.
Right, Pearl, you're gonna come.
Let's go.
Hey.
Walters, get security that way.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, 1716. Hey, Roger, what's your status? Is he green?
Jump in the door.
Copy grade. Come back to Romeo.
5214
5214
1049er.
1049er, over.
Hey, we got fire from the northeast and southwest. Hey, I need some HE on that fire to the northeast.
Having Mike copy left grade, over.
Okay, Roger, how
Havoc Mike, this is 1-5. We're getting mortared in, over.
So we were pushing out there to kind of, we went to go investigate one of the buildings down there because they were saying that these guys were probably like using it as like a HME cook site.
Yeah.
So we went out there, started doing patrols, re-verified some of the HLZs that we plan on using for medevac. And then we pushed up to this building that, I forgot. It was supposedly they were being used for HME or caching weapons. So we went in there, cleared everything, and then the EOD guys were with us. They found a couple pressure plates. So we dipped it after we did our search. It was like fucking basically nothing in there. We bipped the IED that was in there. And then when Verra went back to do the TSC, we missed one, which is kind of crazy because, you know, they put a really, it was like two pressures. So think about like a 90, there was an entrance here and then an entrance here. And that's where we found the pressure plates. There was a third one when Verra went back to take photos of how they were like rigging it. And some of the debris that was left, it was made of those paper plates.
Yeah.
Like styrofoam paper plates was the initiator. And Verra popped one. But it was when he stepped back. He said he stepped back and that's when he felt like a great ball of flame go under him and shit. But he was a double. You know how mortar rounds are, they explode outwards and shit. So he got lucky. The way the blast was, it was like oriented in. All those 3 rounds were like a EFP facing in the one direction.
Yep.
But he was, because that other 2 had already detonated with the EOD guys, that last one kind of like nipped him, but it zippered behind his hamstring and chopped him like kind of diagonal.